In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find large files in Dropbox. If you're running low on storage or just want to tidy up your space, this quick method will show you exactly where your biggest files are hiding. We're going to use the Dropbox website because it has the most complete view of your account, including items that might not be synced to your computer. Start by opening your browser and going to dropbox.com, log into your account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click All Files. This takes you to the main view of your folders and files, and make sure you're looking at everything in one place rather than inside a single subfolder. Before sorting by size, switch to a layout that makes size information easy to read. If your files currently appear as big tiles or thumbnails, that's grid view. In the top right corner of the page, click the layout button, choose list view, which is the icon with 4 horizontal lines. List view shows your items in rows with columns like name, modified, and size, which is what we need. Next, locate the size column header. This is the key to sorting from smallest to largest or vice versa. Click the word size once to sort from the smallest files to the largest. You'll notice the tiniest files bubble to the top. Click size a second time to flip the order. Now you're sorting from the largest files to the smallest, which is usually what you want when you're hunting for space hogs. Look for the arrow pointing down in the size header to confirm you're seeing the largest items first. As you scan the list, keep in mind that folders may not always display a total size in this view, and what you see is the size of each individual file. If you've drilled down into a folder, you'll only be sorting the contents of that folder. To get a broader view of what's biggest across your entire account, make sure you're back at all files before sorting. That's it. By using the website, switching to list view and sorting by size, you get a clear, accurate picture of your largest files, including those that aren't synced to your computer. From here, you can decide what to keep, move, or clear out based on what's taking up the most space. If this helped you quickly identify your largest Dropbox files, don't forget to follow along for more simple walkthroughs like this. Thanks for watching.